of it. I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody. Be ooh, 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 ooh. I wanna be the life of the party.
We're going to launch. Launch. Nakaligtas po tayo sa immigration. Rice. May mga bread doon. Alright, time check. It's 6:40. Mga 2 hours kami sa Merhaba launch. Ang boarding time namin is 7:15. Pupunta na kami sa gate 104. Welcome to Brunei. Sama pa. Diba? So, bumibili kami ngayon ng SIM card dito sa Imagine Next. Merong nag-cost dito ng $10. 8 gig na yung kasama. Pero if gusto mo ng may calls, 20-minute call, tsaka 20 SMS, $8. Kaso 2 gig lang yun. So, we opted to have the $10 SIM card with 8 gigs. So ayun, naging easy naman yung immigration namin, experience. So, pagdating mo, pag-land mo ng plane, mag-walk ka lang ng konti.
There you go.
Yellow key.
So, ito na. Ayun na siya. Pick tayo. Ayun. Ang question lang is how many days we'll stay here and ano nga yun? Saan magsastay? Nothing else. You just have to listen very carefully. And may mga fingerprint scanner and everything. After the immigrations, konting walk ulit, and then arrival na, and then you'll see a small lobby here where you can get your SIM card. Meron ditong KFC. Ayun. Tapos, Imagine Next. Dito tayo bumili ng SIM card. Then, pag tingin mo dito, ayun na yung labasan. There. Yan. Ayos lang namin yung SIM card namin. Diba? Saulihin mo na yung number natin. So, dito, hindi ka makakagamit ng Wi-Fi unless bibili ka ng SIM card ng Brunei. So, yan. Gamit mo kami ng Wi-Fi kasi sa data para hindi maubos agad. Right?
Yes.
So, ang number namin ay 75 charot. Then, magbubook na kami ng DART to the hotel. Sana merong available na DART. DART, ayun, ay yung parang Grab nila dito. So, yeah. Yeah, we're going out na. So, P2 pick up point. Saan yung P2? Oh, may Jollibee. Hi, Jollibee. And there's a car here. Then, hanapin lang natin yung P2 pick-up point. Ito, P2. Dito. Oh, may mosque. May nagpipick up kaya dito? Look at the mosque. Ganda ng design ng hotel. Very shala. And then may escalator. Ooh. And then may coffee din. And then mag-check-in lang kami dito. So, nakuha namin room ay deluxe. Tapos, king bed. Ganda.
You have swimming pool.
Bye. Alright. Yan.
Anong...
3. Ang shala ng mga design ng hotel dito eh. Lakas maka Royal. Lakas maka 5-star hotel. Diba? So, ang room namin ay nasa 3rd floor. 370. Oh, ang shala. Dito. 370. Ang shala ng pa-carpet. May pa-carpet dito. So, ang language pala nila dito ay Bahasa. So, medyo familiar na tayo doon since nanggaling tayo sa Indonesia last year. So, basic words like terima kasih, thank you, sama-sama, you're welcome, salamat pagi, good morning, salamat datang, welcome. Okay, room 2. Mag-room tour na tayo. Nag-open na. Dun, 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 dun. Ay, ang daming cabinet. Ano, tago-tagoan. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ay, may plancha. So, merong 3 cabinet. And then, on the right side, can you hold this? Iro-room tour na namin kayo. Pagpasok, ay, sink, salamin. Ooh, may bathtub! So, may bidet. May bathtub. Deluxe pala tong ano natin. Ang cost nito for 2 days ay 9,000 plus. So, hindi ako nag-settle for standard room. So, another, uy, ayun na yung may sleepers tayo dito. So, tigisa tayong cabinet for 2 days. Tapos, may safe, may sleeper, and this is, eto, dad, lalagyan ng, I think, maleta. Uy, may bolster. Magubad na tayong shoes. Gusto ko magubad ng shoes. And then, can you prepare? Ay, may mirror pa dito. Ay, no, mirror. So, may iba pa naman silang room. Napili ko lang talaga yung deluxe kasi, why not? Then, we have the king bed. Tapos, may 2 side table. May TV. Ang cute. Very, siya. Kahoy. Oo. Tapos, may siya. Sara. Oh, pwedeng isara. Oh, sangka. And then, we have the dressing. Parang, yan, make-upan table. May hair dryer. Tapos may yan, kung ano man yan. Ito, prayer times. Kasi Ramadan month ngayon. So we have water then, free water. Tapos may initan ng tubig, which is good. Laki ng mirror.
Coffee?
And then, may couch!
May coffee and water din.
Yes. Laki. I love the room. And then, dito, ang laki ng space. Tapos, ayan, parking lot lang yung view. Pero, hindi ko makita sa umaga. Let's check. Ayan, I love the room. At least, kasi, diba, dito sa Ramadan day kasi, syempre, baka mag-staycation lang tayo. Kaya magandang room na yung kinuha natin. Alright? Yan. Mag-aisang tayo ng gamit. Bukas na ba yung aircon? Oh, ganda nito ang 360 lawak. We need to rest na kasi tomorrow's gonna be a big day. First full day namin tomorrow. The time check is 12 midnight, same time sa Philippines. So, ang ang stay namin dito ay 2 full days lang. So, Friday and Saturday. Then, Saturday, 11 p.m. yung flight namin pabalik. So, kailangan na natin magpahinga. Ano yung explore mo, Dad? Ref? Oh, may mini fridge. Nagpe-pray sila. Ayan, so I'm back. Gusto ko lang i-share yung kaunuuban. So, hinahanap namin, tinitingnan namin kung saan yung bukasan ng aircon. Kasi medyo malamig na siya. So, sabi ko, malamig naman. So, keber na. Tulog na lang. Tapos, nandito na ako. So, tapos, ayan. Oh, ang syala. Oh, papatayin. Gusto ko na rin kasing patayin to. Oh, bed. Side bed. To the left. Ay! Pindutin mo yan. Tapos yung stand. Ayun yun. Oh. Tira mo ah. Mamamatay siya. Oh! Tapos dito naman sa kabilang bed. Oh! Ano tong picture? Ah, picture. Ah, sa may picture. Saan yun? Sa dresser. Entrance. Master. Ooh! Bakit?
Gulat ni.
Wala, hindi ko alam kung paano ibalik. Ma-check. Mababa lang siya. Then, hindi masyadong malambot. Pero, carry na. Okay, good night. Morning! Ito pa rin ang suot. Walang nakalimutan ng pantulog. So, bababa na kami for breakfast. 7th floor ang ating... Ilan yung staff? Yung for today lang, ha? Quiet lang. There's a conference hall. Ah, yeah, this is the breakfast. Hi, good morning. Morning. We're good?
Yes.
Thank you.
You have to
Ang syala ng carpet. Hindi pwede magtapon. And this is the breakfast. Yan. May initan ng bread, white bread, whole wheat bread. Uy, may egg and mayo na. And there's tuna sandwich. And flakes. We have eggs, peanuts. They love peanuts. Parang same food with when we went to Indonesia. Ito masarap to. There's pasta, rice, nasi lemak. Yeah, that's nasi lemak. Parang fried rice. Stir-fried mixed veggie, black pepper beef, buttermilk chicken, stir-fried cabbage. Looks delicious. And there's deep-fried pumpkin and tempoyak ikan patin. And there's fried egg and sausage. And we have porridge. Why?
Right.
Hello, si Lola?
Why do you want to go? Why do you want to go with Why do you want to go to Brunei without me?
Ah. This is my food. Fish, egg, and some sauce. There's healthy fat fish.
Ito pa. Kumakan.
Sarap. Ang sarap. Oh, favorite. Layo naman natin sa isa't isa. Hello, Paria. Paria, we save a seat for you. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Tapos paglabas namin ng hotel lobby. Tchadan! Jollibee! Tara, punta tayo doon. At umulan. Umuulan. So, ito yung area ng Center Point Hotel. So, yung Jollibee and McDo. Jollibee, then McDo. So, para siyang city, center. City center. Actually, parang dito hindi yata to city center, pero ano nga ba to, Dad? Ha? Ay, no, breakfast, oh. Oh, may pa-birthday party din. Store hours. Pwede ka... Oh, dito sa Brunei, 16,000 Jollibee delivery. Sa Pilipinas, 7,000 Jollibee delivery. Dito sa Brunei, 16,000 Jollibee delivery. Oh, meron ding Jollibee car. Oh.
Ano na tayo?
Oh, alam mo na priority dito ang Jesus.
Oh, di ba sabi mo ito ba? Ay, diba?
Sige, go. Sige, yan.
Mauna ka.
So, wala ditong priority dito ang mga tatawid. Basta nasa pedestrian ka. Siyudad naman. O, diba? Priority. Diba? They're so amazing. Alright. Outfit check. Outfit check. Tada. The coach of the year.
Okay, all machine control.
And also, they are very strict right now in accepting
Yeah.
tourists.
Even Korea also not bad, you know.
Yeah.
Good.
Happy.
My son going this next month Korea.
Wow.
Now it's okay. March is okay. Not so cool. Otherwise,
Is he traveling for work or just...
traveling only.
Oh, wow.
Tourists. The husband and wife. Yeah. Okay. Now this is empire hall so big, see? You can go. It cost around 1 billion Brunei to build up everything. I think take 5 years. All the workers mostly expert one is from Italy, Ireland.
When did it establish?
This one is almost 20 years already.
Oh.
Makakabook kaya tayo nito ng pabalik.
There is a there is a bowling center here, cinema also here. Definitely,
There's cinema.
cinema here. You want play golf? Go to the reserve play golf. Play golf. They have a chalet. You can going downstairs. They have a beach.
There's an entrance fee here.
Oh,
There's a payment entrance fee.
no,
wala.
all free. You can walk around. Even you stay here, you can swim around also. There is 2 type of swimming pool. Very nice. can walk around going down. Have a look, take picture. You get my number just in case.
Yeah, we'll get your number. Kunin mo yung number niya. Hindi, wala dun. Ikunin mo siya.
You key in my Brunei number, very easy.
Yeah, your number here are very short.
Short, not like Manila. 9, 10 digit.
Yeah,
You don't
crazy.
remember? Do WhatsApp. You have line, correct? You have data line, huh? No problem, huh?
How much?
Total.
Total, 14. That's all.
Going home after this, the dart is also available in this area.
Takes time, but actually I go to somewhere nearby only. I will take a rest. Now he's taking a rest. Nobody people. I will take someone here also.
Do you have change for 50?
Okay, I give you 36, correct?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Salamat! Ito na lang.
Ano?
Nakapunta tayo sa ibang destination. Pwede na po. Tama nga naman na kasi hindi tayo. Sa labas na tayo, tapos mag-travel pa tayo ng tanghali.
Oo.
Hindi tayo makakagala. Tutuwa ka. Dahil wala akong nagkakapit na. Ako, hindi pa nagtanong ko. Ay,
Oh,
hello?
coffee. Huh?
Hello? Coffee for you?
I'm not sure. Kung hindi pwede. Kung may bukas sa restaurant. So we're gonna enter the Empire Brunei, the 7-star hotel here. Morning. Ikaw dyan na ayun na, baba tayo sa phone. Ha?
Patay mo picture.
Ha?
Patay mo picture.
Eto, dito ka. Kasi ka lang sa...
Patayin mo lang.
Naka-video na ako. And we're back inside. Hindi na nahiyang magtanong si Dad. Ano? Ha? Ano?
Yeah. And then just go straight, exit the hotel, go down the hill.
Thank you so much. Dapat si ano pa, Susan Roses.
Bakit?
Para wag mahihiyang magtanong. So we're back here. Ay, payat naman yun. Ay, ito pala yung dad, oh. Ito pala yung daan ng dad. So, we're back. Ano ba? Ikaw mag-vlog o mag-360 ako? Hindi, ito vlog na ako. Ano daw? Saan daw? Dito, Love Lounge Creative. Hindi, vlog na lang ako. So, ayan, nakapasok na kami. Ang lamig. It's so cold here. Ayan, walk muna tayo dito. Then may mga store din dito. Look at the bags. Dad. Ang ganda nung ano. Ay, ang ganda ng mga bags.
Pinay.
Anong Pinoy?
Yung bantay.
Ano sabi?
Basta, mukhang Pinay yan eh.
Ay, ito pa na Ang ganda. Magkano kaya? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Tara. Dad, $50.
Ang Indonesia na ano.
Batik. Maluwag na yun sa atin. Ay, ang ganda nito. Laptop bag.
This one also.
55.
5.
That's 200 something.
Pero fit siya.
Yeah.
Wood.
Yeah.
Hanapin ko.
Oh, Labubu. Cutie.
Wow.
Oo nga, ito yung injection ko. Oh, may best deal dito. Best deal pero $15. Cute. Cute star. Cute. Tara. Next time, kung pupunta man ulit kami dito is mag-check-in kami dito. Mura lang naman siya. Siguro 10,000 per night, pero you're staying at a 7-star hotel. Not here? Ikaw mag-vlog nga. Cellphone. Matik naman yan. So yan, ina-explore natin ngayon ang The Empire Brunei. Pupunta tayo ngayon ng beach. Saan? So I can feel like Serena.
Watch me as I take off. I'll be working.
This ends our half-day tour. So, sa first day namin, almost, ito lang Empire yung pinagstaya namin. So, currently, time check, it's 12:47. We're gonna go back to our hotel kasi praying time na. Hanggang to yun. Nalabas ulit kami mamayang hapon. So, yeah. See ya. Magbubok na kami ng dark. See ya. See ya. See ya. Hi. We're back to the hotel. After the bimbangan, we're gonna go out.
Record yun.
Outfit check. Okay, it's Friday night. Charot. Friday afternoon. 4:02. So we're gonna go to the mall. And we're going to the Gadong Market. The Ramadan. Ano yan? Ramadan night market. Kasi, di pa sila makain. Fasting eh. Yan. Hi, Dodo. Ay, ang ganda, Dodo. Oh. Fuck.
Ganda ng spot selfie.
Kaya nga. Oh.
Mas mahaba.
Sakto lang naman. Parang mas, ano mo siya, gamay siya. Alright, so kalalabas lang namin ng the mall. So, ang masasabi lang namin,
Para siya.
para siyang DV Greenbelt.
Isdal.
Ay, hindi siya Greenbelt, Green Hills. So, wala masyadong, konti lang ang high-end store, Pandora, Cartier, pero wala silang mga high-end, like, alam mo, bala ko mag-book sana dito. Dito sa hotel na to. You listen to me. Wala lang. So, yun. Ano yun, nawala tuloy ako. So yun, wala masyadong, kaya yung mga tao dito, pupunta lang sila ng Malaysia. That's 2 hours travel by land para lang mag-shopping sa Malaysia. And then they go back here. Ito yung ano, Rizcan International Hotel. Magbubuk din sana ako dyan dapat. Yung tabi ng the mall yan. Ay, may park dun oh. So, saan tayo?
We're going there.
Pwede bang lakad dyan, te?
Yeah. May mga yun.
Ayan. Ay, ang ganda dyan. Ayan! Ayan na siya. From the mall, nag-cross lang kami ng bridge. Yan. Ayun o, nakikita na namin yung parang may bangka! Yan. Masaya naman dito, guys. Napaka-solemn. Hindi ka mag-aadala. Safe pa. Braso ko, laki ng braso ko. So, yan. Wala pang nagsiset up. Wala pa kasi ang sunset ay 6:38. No, Dad? So, yung start ng ano nila. After ba yun? Yun, basta yun. Tapos, feasting nila. Yun na lang, feasting. Start ng feasting. Feasting versus fasting. Marami namang choices. Ayun o, nasi katok. Dado, $1.50 lang. Nasi katok, chicken with rice yan. Tapos ayun naman yung flavor. Tahay, puso, pedas, biasa. Mura na yan. Nakita ko din yun sa vlogger eh. Gusto mo yan, isa lang yan. Try na tayo dyan. Ooh, look at that. Bet ikot muna natin. Ayan, ayam is chicken. Daging is beef. Ayan, nasi puti din. Okay din yan? Nasi lamak puso. Okay din yan. 50 cent lang. Pwede na tayo dyan sa 50 cent. Tapos, nasi diba? Nasi puti is white rice. Udang.
Parang
Ayun pa, ang dami. Ay, bakso. Dado, bakso. May soup. Di ba parang tiniray natin yan sa Indonesia? Yung bakso. Ang sarap. Ay, $10. Fully loaded, bakso. Tapos meron pa dito $6 lang. Dado. Ano? Gusto mo? Yan na lang. So, with soup. Hindi kasi titake out naman natin yun eh. Meron, kaso sobrang unti. Tapos wala, usually ano talaga dito, bibili sila, puro take out. Yeah, fish. Tingnan pa natin. Parang sarap nito, beef. May upuan yata somewhere, pero sobrang bihira.
parang lumabo na naman siya.
Hindi, ano lang. soto. Ay, di ba soto? Parang ano din yan, kinain natin doon sa Indonesia.
Pansit.
Pansit.
Ang soto.
Ang saya naman dito sa night market. Ang dami nagbibilihan na for their dinner. For their sumptuous dinner tonight.
Pero bet ko to.
Alin? Yung ano? Pansit. Pwede din. Bumili din yung mga pinanood ko dyan ng pansit. Grabe oh. Sumptuous oh.
$1.
Ha?
One?
Ano? Grabe. Gusto mo din nun, soto? Ayun o, gusto mo ng chicken? Ay, ng ano, pansit? May mas mura. Ayun na yun, pwede na yun. Sige. Biryani. Nakakatuwa din na maranasan natin yung culture during the Ramadan days, no? In a Muslim country. So, sumasabay din kami kung ano yung culture or current ano nila situation. So, at this time, bumibili na sila pang dinner nila during the day, fasting. And ang sunset time today is around 6:34. So, bawal kumain pa rin sa labas, bawal uminom. If you're a non-Muslim, punta lang kayo sa hotel or sa bahay nyo para kumain. Pero in public places, bawal yun. So, ayun. Bibili lang din kami ng food. Nakapila kami ngayon sa Nasi Kato. So, the chicken and then different kind of sauces. So, may nabili na kaming ano dito. May suman, potato balls, and then isang bakso special. We already tried this. Itong bakso special, para siyang mami. Ay, tinan mo baka bumaliktad. Bakso special is like a mami na may beef. So, na-try na namin sa Indonesia. Masarap naman siya. So, we're gonna try it again. Para may soup mainit. So, yun lang. Ano yung mga sauce?
Sampal. The piyasa, normal, spicy. Para daw siyang bagoong. And then parang sardinas.
Ayun ang specialty ng Brunei. Tahay.
Ha?
Ayun o, tahay o. A specialty of Brunei. Hindi na lang bili natin. This is specialty o. Tahay. So we're going back to the hotel. Ito na yung mga pinamili namin. So many food.
$1
$1 each!
or
Bakit?
45 pesos.
Yeah, yung drinks 45 pesos lang din. Is it amazing? Tingin lang kami pabalik ng hotel. Tapos yan, that is the Rizkan, one of the nicest hotel that is linked to the mall. May tinapay pa. Tanong ka kung ATM.
Sumay?
ATM sa may malapit na ATM.
Where's the nearest?
Second day, and we have our breakfast again, and we're so solo. Solo. ba? Ay, hindi.
Love you.
Love you, bye-bye.
Bye.
Yan, gusto ko kita.
Ano?
Laging nagamit ng critical thinking.
Ano? Lagi na. Bakit? Papupunta, di ko naman ano doon.
Hindi.
Hindi ko alam kung critical thinking o philosophy.
Hindi, ano siya? At least, beyond siya doon sa
Oo nga,
hindi
sa bagay.
lang.
Ay, oo. Okay, hindi siya yung, okay lang. Puro siya may why.
Why?
Ha?
Ito ba yung Pinay?
Hindi.
I rushed it a bit. I just passed through the one. He was like, you better be upstairs. No. I already. I don't want to carry
May pasa ako dito.
You wait for me downstairs. Wait for me downstairs. Okay.
Good morning. It's second day, Saturday, but we're going to have early checkout. It's 8:38. Pero iwan namin yung maleta namin sa counter. Kasi ang flight namin tonight is 11 p.m. So, it's gonna be a tiring day, but we're gonna make the most out of it. Ciao. So, yan. Ang pupuntahan namin ngayon, mosque. If kaya ang dalawang mosque plus yung frame, Brunei frame. Yan. Outfit check na maluwag. Outfit check. Outfit check. Simple tee from Uniqlo and old pants from Century Tuna.
Sa akin.
CK from UK.
3 items.
Yes. Yay. Until what time is it allowed to? Because our flight back is...
What time is your flight?
Our flight is 11. What is the best time to go to
11
the
PM.
airport? Yeah.
2 hours before.
2 hours
Hi,
before we
maybe
need
at
to
night.
go there.
Yes,
Okay.
2 hours before to the
Around
airport.
Alright.
Yes. Alright.
Thank you.
Just bring the for the luggage. Thank you.
You keep it properly. Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
Online na to. Sa utang ka to. Dito to. Point din na to.
30.
Yang update na pinili ka. Ito bang dala pinili? Gusto ko din pinili. Halika pinili. Parang yung bayar ka. Ano ito? Kita ba sa truck to?
Shoes. I'm gonna enter na. You have to remove your shoes.
Weekend.
Quiet lang. Ngayon, tabi mo yung sa akin siya. So, required tayo mag-wear ng ano. Alright, so we're just taking a rest from the Regala Museum. Sobrang lamig, so mag-aano muna tayo. Mag-a-adapt muna tayo ng init bago sumabak ulit sa kainitan. So we're back.
Kwento mo pa?
Hindi. Mamaya. Walking kami from Museum Regala. We're going to the ano to? Big wall. So hindi muna kami mag-water village. Kasi kung ano lang yung malapit dito, eh di kung kaya lakarin, go. So yeah, we're walking. And sobrang wala masyadong tao. Ganito talaga dito. Puro cars lang. And sobrang linis. Wala kang makikita mga plastic orokan. Ayun pala, meron isa. Pero unlike sa Philippines. Right. Ayun yung water village. tricycle nila yan, no? Color brown. Yan na po yung Water Village. Ha?
Ito ka dito.
Ano pa lang ito?
Hindi, check ko ganun tayo.
So, galing kami dun sa entrance ng Water Village doon, malapit sa mall na to. Hindi ko alam ang tawag sa mall na to, pero mall siya. So, galing na kami sa loob. Nag-spray-spray ng mga pabango. And then, hindi na namin napag-decidean na pumunta mismo sa loob ng Water Village kasi sobrang init na din. It's already 1:00 p.m. And then, ang napag-decidean na lang din namin is balik kami sa hotel. Ang last na pupuntahan na lang naman namin is yung Brunei Frame plus yung isang mosque na malapit doon. So, we're just booking a dart. A dart is yung parang Grab. So, para makapagkaroon kayo ng dart na account, kailangan meron yung SIM card ng Brunei na mabibili nyo rin sa airport. So, yeah. So, ang flight namin is 11 p.m. tonight. We still have 9 hours na gumala. So, yeah. 9 kami alis ng hotel. 9 p.m. going to airport. Yun lang. Hindi pa rin kami nakain. Kasi ang sunset today is 6:34. So, that's the time of the... Alright, so we're back here in the city center. Ayun yung Dubai frame. Yung Brunei frame. Kanina nandun kami, kaninang umaga. Hindi na, yung mosque na yan, hindi namin alam na ito lang pala siya. Tapos yung Water Village, somewhere there. Tapos yung Regala Museum, somewhere there. So yung apat na yon within the area lang. So let's go. Hindi na pwedeng kumain dito. Kaso hanap ka ng makakainan mo. Kaso hindi pa pwedeng kumain. Ayun natin naman, mga dala silang trolley. Nag-ready sila para kumain. Yes. Oh, cemetery lang ah. Nagre-ready na sila. Ito pala may mga food eh. Ano nga, picture na tayo para... Ay, bakit dun may nag-picnic sa sa may frame mismo? Ano yan, te? Okay lang kayo. Alright, so katatapos lang namin mag-take ng photos and all, and then we're going to... Ito yung situation right now. Nagsiset up na sila ng mga picnic. So around 6:30 yung start ng eating. So nakasabay kami sa fasting, hindi pa rin kami kumakain for the whole day. And we're going to the bazaar para bumili ng food namin din. Dito kami kakain. Yeah. So, pag ito yung frame, tapos dito, parang bridge. Nandito yung Water Village. Yeah. And may mga nagra-run din dito. So, ginabi na tayo dito sa Brunei Frame. Yan. Katatapos lang namin kumain. So, we're gonna walk. Ano yan? Lumilipad? Ha? Hindi mo naman pwedeng dalhin na sa airport. Hi!
Tapos tinitimpla
Ayun yung frame, this one. That's the frame, the very small. We're here, back to the center point. So tiring.
Pag-isip ka dyan.
What time is it? Ay, pwede na tayo check out. Doon na tayo magngarag-ngarag. Hi! We're back.
Already?
Yes.
Now where you guys eat? That's now for the dinner?
Yeah, we ate at the Brunei Frame.
The frame.
Oh, the
We
frame.
went there. We had dinner there.
So, everything good?
Yes.
Okay. Good. My connector home, yeah?
Yeah. Feel the weight of your skin. No one else can feel it.
Someone already picked up or you're here?
We're gonna book Dart. Thank you so much. And we're ready to go. We're waiting for luggage. There is the husband. It's already 8:37 na. Oo. I hope that we could make it on the airport on time. We will buy Jollibee pa at the airport. We had so much thing to do pa there, but the dark is not yet here, so we wait. Babalik ba kami dito? For me, as an inverted person, inverted, as an introvert person, at gusto ko minsan ng isang tahimik, sobrang tahimik dito. Kahit nga, may isang busina, wala akong narinig. So, kung gusto ko man like a peaceful place, makapag-isip ng ganyan, I would choose to go back here. So, yeah. I hope you enjoy the vlog and see you on the next country. Hey, thank you so much. Bye. Dad, ano mas? We're here now.
Just remember to take your
We're here now. We're heading to the airport.
Thank you for waiting at the airport.
Yep.
I wanna be the life of the party. I wanna dance with somebody.